Oh, oh, oh. Hey everyone, today is a pretty wild day. We are going to be weaning the first group of lambs. So they were pretty much from January till mid-February. Today's April 12th. So it works out to roughly minimum 60 days, maximum 75-ish. So this is this group here. So we're going to do that this afternoon, and weaning is extremely important. There's a few components to it. The first one is the dry off period with the ewes, and that means you get the ewes to stop producing milk and hopefully reducing the risk of them catching mastitis through the dry off period. Oh, quiet please. So I'll pick my weaning date, and then 2 weeks before that I remove all protein from the ewe's ration. And these guys were on, they were getting alfalfa silage, canola meal, barley, and barley silage. So I pulled the alfalfa and the canola meal out. And then I took, over the 14 days, I stepped down the 2 pounds a day of barley that they were getting down, so that yesterday they had nothing but silage, and today they will have nothing but straw. So then once weaning day is here, the ewes will get nothing but straw for 2 days, 3 days probably, and then be put on a really rough quality, low quality hay for probably 2 weeks. And the reason we do that in the stepping down of the nutrition is to slowly reduce the ewe's ability to produce milk and try and get that udder dried up, quote unquote. That's why they call it drying it off, drying the animal off. It's the same thing with dairies, to reduce the chances of them getting bacteria through the weaning process. If they were used to producing milk, and then wham, you just cut them off, the chances of them getting some kind of infection is a lot higher. So you'd reduce the nutrition over time and then give them absolutely bare minimum for a few days. Then you go back to a proper maintenance ration. So the lambs are looking good. They've been well adapted to the creep feed for a while here. Weather's just about perfect. Things are pretty well dried off. You can see my feed alley is not a big mud hole anymore. We've got Joy and my other hired man Garrett coming out this afternoon, and I'm hoping it goes smoothly. Usually it's like pretty chaotic just because everything's running everywhere, but it's gonna be good. I'm gonna start the day with hauling those feed bunks and some panels to an auction. Truck's loaded, ready to go. I should probably strap it down. You can see the feed bunks I built yesterday. They're just up on the top there. Hopefully they bring something, but we'll see you guys when I get back. Alright, so I'm back here getting ready for weaning. Like I was talking about, making sure that the udder health and preventing bacteria and mastitis is really important. And that includes the environment that the ewes are laying in needs to be nice and dry and clean. If they're laying in the mud or manure or in a slough or something like that, the chances of them uptaking some kind of bacteria through the teats is a lot higher. So I'm going to spread a couple bales of straw around. They can chew through that, they can lay on that. I have some 1-year-old barley straw. I'm going to put that in my mixer and use the knives to kind of cut it up a bit and then fill the feed bunk, so they can pick through the feed bunk, they can pick through what they're laying on, and then when about 2 days of that, when they've had enough, I've got some low quality hay that I'll fork into the feed bunks, and that should do them for a little bit. Then like I said, 2 weeks after that we will put them back onto a proper maintenance ration.
I gave cows a try, but it was kind of a curse. All it ended up doing was draining my purse. And suddenly it occurred to me, I'm needing sheep. It's the only...
When it comes to feeding straw, if you can have 1-year-old straw, I'm forgetting what the name is, but there's something like lignin or something, starts with an L. Anyway, it breaks down over time, and the digestibility, or at least acceptance of feed by animals, seems to increase with that. So they do eat 1-year-old straw better than later stuff. Ideally, it'd be best if you're feeding heavy straw with sheep, have a tub grinder, but I'm just going to do this for a couple days at weaning. So I'm just going to put it straight into my mixer dry, and hopefully it works. I haven't really done this before, but we'll see. Ideally, if you're feeding straw in a mixer or dry matter to begin with, you just add some water. Mixes a lot better. In this situation, I'm just leaving it in the bunk for a few days so it will spoil, and I don't really want the water in there with it. Okay, that actually worked pretty good. I think I might do that again in the future. You guys, what do you think? I'm not really a big fan of it. Like I said, there's no nutritional value here, and that's the goal. These sheep that are in here are just open sheep. They don't have lambs on them, so they're just, I don't have anywhere else to put them, and they're gonna eat straw too. But the reason I filled the bunk was just sheep have a habit of laying on everything and then thinking they're starving to death, so I didn't want them to go through and lay on all the straw that was in there and then think there's nothing to eat. Also didn't want them to only eat the straw. If they decided they were going to do that, you kind of have to stay 2 steps ahead of them. But I didn't want them to go in there and eat all the straw and then lay in the mud again. Pretty happy with this. We've got lots of bedding for them and lots of straw for them to eat. I'm just going to go set some pens up and wait for the crew to get here, and we'll start weaning. Okay, I forgot to film us chasing them out of the pen, but Joey and Garrett are here. We got all the ewes placed in here with the lambs. We're just going to separate the ewes out, we hope. See how this goes. Yeah, you watch your face, they'll get you. Okay. There you go. Good man.
Reminds me of playing goalie in hockey.
Oh yeah. Come on, girl. Let's go. Okay. There you go. There's one something on her lip there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a growth, I'd say.
Okay.
Come on, babies, let's go. Come on. Yep. Oh, you guys are nice big lambs. We'll make some lamb chops, that's for sure. Come on, let's go.
Oh, look that way.
Okay. Keep going. Those are some fine looking lambs, if I do say so myself. It's kind of rewarding after a whole first group lambing hard in the winter there. Today's the reward day. You get to see how many lambs are out there, how many look good. And I'm pretty pleased with what we see. Hey, no. Like any good farm boss, you just stand here and hold the camera while the employees do the work. I'm gonna go hide so the sheep don't see me. Oh! Hang on, I'm going for a ride.
Shoot, just got 2 lambs in there, right?
Oh, well.
Oh, okay, we'll get them. So I don't, of course, they have to be
No, that's okay. That's okay, Joey. There's more than one in there. Yeah, open that way. Lift that up. There we go.
Good
Okay.
save.
You're coming with me. Come on, guys. Yep, there you go. How many lambs?
Was I supposed to? Okay.
There's 2?
Well, I think I let maybe 1 or 2 in, but there's
Okay.
a
There's at least 2 in there before. So.
yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Crowded pen?
Yes. Unless you can run really fast. Come on, see your friends. Friends are all leaving. Where aren't you? Holy cow. Gotta get those 2. Come on, guys. In you go. Come on, guys. Get it if you want.
No, that's
Joy,
okay.
I'm gonna run them in there. So you just open that gate up when I bring the lamb. Yeah. Do the light one. The light ones I put over.
Put them over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one's pretty big.
Holy. That one sheep's got a giant bag.
Yeah, it's like a basketball.
Yeah.
I had her on the trailer the other day to calm.
Okay.
She's got tremendous milk, so. Joy, are you okay?
It's not mastitis or something?
It might develop into it next year, but
I see.
there's something wrong for sure.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna let some ewes out if you see me around.
Okay.
All right, so calm after the storm. We got all these ewes here. They are been weaned off their lambs. They'll be upset for a couple days, and then they'll be pretty thankful they don't have to live with them anymore. Yeah, you hold that. You just.
Okay. Yeah, let her go back this way, or what do you?
Here, Joy, let's focus on this one. Move in. Good work. There you
Here
go.
we go.
You're a professional.
Come on. Come on.
Here, let me get my crook.
Whoa.
Don't let it go.
Whoa.
Got her.
Okay, yeah.
You're a big you. Big and mean.
Woo.
Oh! I saw stars.
Oh.
Okay.
I was scared of that happening to myself.
Thanks. I'm not worried about you, Riley. Oh. Everything, I saw stars there.
Works pretty good if you can corner them, eh? They're not
Yeah,
crazy
that's
fast.
the only way to do it. Here, just keep holding if it goes dark or beeps, don't worry about it.
Okay, sounds good.
Gather them here and then
Riley,
Yeah.
do you want me to get out ahead of them a bit? So they...
No, you follow 'em.
Okay.
Ready?
This is probably gonna be some great photography right here. Come on, sheep. Hi, hi, sheep.
Come on.
Hello. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, sheep.
Come on.
Come on, sheep.
Yeah, just.
Hi, hi, hi. Let's go. Come on, come on. Let's go. Hi, hi,
Oh crap.
hi, hi. Come on. Come on. Get going. Hi, hi, hi.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. Hi, 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 hi.
Come on. There we go. Good, they know where they're going.
Just like that. Simple as can be. There's an electric fence there, so I really hope they don't plow into it. All right, weaning's done. Whew. Everything's as calm as they're gonna be for the next few days. I gotta take off. I'm going on a one-night holiday, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.